Ayan na. Okay, yan. Sabi pa, sabi nga natin, yung macho, ang pinag...
I love you with all my heart. Maybe I don't say it always. Maybe I don't always show it. But right now, I'm pinapasok ko. I hope you really need how deeply I love you. And how grateful I am that you are my mama. And now, let me make a short prayer. Because you were the one who told me how to pray. Ikaw ka nga nagpapalala sa akin ng Jesus. Lord, thank you for the life of my papa. Thank you for giving him 60 years of his life. Thank you for giving us a chance to be with him. May you bless him, Lord. May you give him a healthy and wonderful life.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, palakpak! Hey! 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 Palakpakan! At sabay-sabay sumigaw na, Happy birthday, Papa Nix! Go! Happy birthday, Papa Nix! Palakpakan!
Pa! Ay, ano ba yun?
Oh!
Sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak. Pero sabi ko, nung una, I got yung storytelling. Umiyak talaga ako nung nakaraan kasi, na siya, 16. Sabi ko, tumatanda na yung papa ko. Mahal ko siya kahit like kami nag-aaway. Kasi kami dalawa yung nagbabangayan palagi. Pero alam ko ako yung favorite mo. Tama lang, mahal kita. Alam mo yan. Hindi ko kayo iiwan ni mama. Kahit ako yung hindi nakapasaway. Pero ako talaga yung mag-aalaga sa'yo. Pag hindi mo na kaya magmatad. I love you, pa.
Ay, wala ko yung naiiyak. Oh, saya. Ay, dalawa. Go! Yeah! Let's real!